Christmas filters pick my makeup. Let's do it. Eyeshadow first. Come on. Oh, that's an interesting one. White eyeshadow on the inner corner, in the center, bringing it all the way up to my crease. Now I'm going to go in with the burgundy eyeshadow, and that's going to go on the outer corner, right to my crease, and kind of flicking outwards like a wing. And right here. Eyeliner's next. Come on, be a cute one. Okay. Got to do a wing liner first. Fill it in. I'm doing the bottom part of the Santa hat, so I'm just doing kind of like a white line, a messy white line. I've drawn out the hat shape, now I'm just going to fill it in with some red face paint and then finish up with the little white ball at the end. Freckles next, my favourite part. Come on. Okay. So I've drawn out the shape of the wine glass in white paint first. Now I'm going to go with some red. And I'm finishing it off with some shading details using a black and grey face paint. Adding some burgundy eyeshadow across my nose, and some red and white freckles. Lips last, I hope it matches. Come on. Brown, okay. Lining my lips with a dark brown eyeliner first. Add a brown liquid lipsticks, but who's ready to see the end result? Here's end result, honest thoughts, what do you guys think? Is this a cute or a fail? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.